Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. I hope everybody's having a great day, and the day has finally come. It's finally the 4th of July, and we're going to be lighting a bunch of fun stuff off here early. And yeah, let's go through some of the stuff. We got some firecrackers. I've been saving a lot of stuff for you guys for the 4th, too. You guys haven't seen. Got some of these bad boys. We also got some sweet firecrackers. Just some bottle rockets. May or may not light these depending on how I'm feeling. Firecrackers. We got some pretty cool Roman candles. We got some single shot salutes. Actually, all of these are. Got some more salutes. And then we have these double burst. I know these are not salutes. However, these are pretty cool to light during the day before the 4th. And yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. Hope you guys all stay tuned and enjoy all this very loud stuff we're going to light. Thanks. Oh, and before we get into the video, please consider subscribing. Only 14% of you guys are subscribed, and it helps me out a ton if you guys are subscribed. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. Thanks, and I hope you guys enjoy this awesome video. Okay, here goes a double shot salute. Next we got the OG boombox, single shot salute. Those never get old. We got this awesome red and green salute, single shot. Wow, those packed a punch. Okay, we're going to light up another boombox, as you guys can see here. Next one we got is another single shot salute, a lightning rod. I expect pretty nice things from this bad boy. Alright, we're going to unravel this little salute here. Get this ready for the tube. Man, I can't believe the 4th is already here, guys. It feels like it's been literally, like I mentioned, like so long ago. I cannot wait for my show tonight. This is just the beginning. I'm going to try to get this video out as early as I can to you guys, so you guys can get excited. Going back to the red and green again. Okay, the next one we got is this Roman candle here, this magic light. And yeah, here she goes. Alright, we'll be lighting this next Roman candle. Same kind of thing, but I'm not sure if it's louder or quieter. For whatever reason, I thought the last one was 8 shots too, and I got kind of worried, but it's not. It was 5. I just misread it. Out with the old, in with the new. You're gonna get this lit up, and here we go. Ooh, man, that was definitely a little quieter, but still packed in a real nice punch. Okay, the next one we got are some Black Cat firecrackers. These are actually from the firework tent. I saved one because I wanted to light it off during the day. Right before the 4th. Actually, I'm going to light it over here just in case if one doesn't go off. It won't be next to my little launch pad. Nice. I'm gonna get a little boombox lit. Alright, we're gonna get this boombox going. Make some more noise. Can't beat loud stuff, guys. I just love it. Got that in there. There we go. Ooh, man, those pack a punch. Let's get some more stuff. Gonna get one of these little Texas Louds going here. Again, guys, this is just the daytime stuff. My nighttime video will be posted later this evening, but I'm gonna try to get this out as early as I can, so hopefully get some of you guys excited to light some stuff off. And if you can't light anything off, hopefully this suits your firework needs a little bit. Man, those are nice. I got those for pretty cheap too. I'm gonna light another one of these double salutes. Hopefully they go up a little higher than the last one. I got these for not a bad price too. These remind me a lot of Bam Bam. Here it goes. Well, I think only one went off, unless if they went off simultaneously. Hopefully that doesn't go off randomly, but it is really lit, so it won't matter. Okay, we got some more firecrackers here, and these are the Ghost firecrackers. And to answer you guys' questions, I know somebody was curious if these are green. They are in fact not green, unfortunately. So it doesn't matter if you light these off in the day or night, they're going to be the same color. I cannot wait to light those single firecrackers. I'm going to light those after these. I can't wait to see how loud those are. Ooh, those went a lot quicker than the Black Cat. I hate to say it, but I think those are actually louder than Black Cats. Okay, I'm actually going to be lighting my first triangle. These are very small, I know, but it's all I can really get my hands on at the moment. I hope this makes a nice little bang. I'm going to set it right on top here. Light her up. Oh, those are pretty nice. Okay, the next we got is this little firecracker. This seems like a little heavier than the triangle. Again, that triangle is like the smallest triangle I could find, or biggest triangle. I'll light this. Excuse me. It's got a dark fuse. That's kind of interesting. Well, that wasn't even a firecracker at all. That's funny. Oh, that's kind of embarrassing. Okay, we're gonna be lighting this daytime. I know this ain't a salute, but I still kind of wanted to get some noise going. This is a Boom Boom. I got these from the Superstore for $7.99 for 4, I think. Okay, we're gonna light some of these bottle rockets. Alrighty, we're gonna light a another big Roman candle. Okay guys, this is going to be the final firework before I wait until it gets dark. And this is a nice little salute. I cannot wait for you guys to watch my 4th video tonight. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be my biggest show yet. And thanks again for guys. Thanks for everybody for watching and subscribing. It means a ton to me. And yeah, again, 4th of July, it's finally here. It feels like it's been 30 years since the last time it's rolled around, but alright, here goes this last one, and I'll see you guys in the video tonight.